Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Flipside. I hope you all are doing great. This video is about the crash guard and engine guard installation on the Unicorn BS6 model. I see many of you still haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please subscribe as it gives me a motivation to do more videos like this. Let's get started. As the video title says, we are going to fix the crash guard and the engine guard. This is the engine guard. This is what it looks like. I will tell you the price in the end. Make sure you watch this until the end and know how much it costed me and how to fix it perfectly. Next up is the crash guard. This directly fits onto the bike, where you have to mount it on the chassis, as it has holes specifically made to fix onto it. There are two bolts that are to be removed from the chassis to fix the crash guard. The quality of the crash guard is good and serves its purpose. So let's get this onto the bike. You can see one bolt which is close to the exhaust outlet and the other one below, as I am showing you. These two are the bolts that we need to remove to fix the crash guard and the engine guard. Okay, I am showing it to you again. That is the first one. The other one is right at the bottom. That is the last one. You can see that, right? Yeah. From the other angle, you can see that this is the first one. That is the one you need to remove, and the other one is the last one that you need to remove to fix the crash guard and the engine guard. Okay, again I'm showing it to you. That is the first one and the last one from the other side of the bike. Okay, please note that there are two bolts. One is a longer one and one is a shorter one. Now let's see how to fix the engine guard and the crash guard. This is the top part. That is what I am showing you, and that is the bottom part. That is what we'll have to fix at the bottom, and that is where the engine guard will fit. Okay, so let's get this onto the bike. I'll tell you the easiest method how to fix this. So the easiest method is to fix the crash guard first. So we'll fix the first bolt, which is the topmost bolt. We'll fix the crash guard onto that, and then we'll go on to fix the engine guard bolt. This will be an easier method so that we don't have to lift it up and keep it holding. So we'll have to put the short bolt. We'll have to fix the short bolt basically onto the chassis of the bike. So now that I have fixed it, I just have to tighten it. Make sure you don't tighten it too much, and you might not be able to adjust the crash guard at the bottom where we fix the engine guard. So this is the nut. Make sure you don't tighten it too much. As you can see that I haven't tightened the bolt fully. There is still some play on the crash guard. That play is only for fixing the engine guard. So now this is the engine guard. One easy way to fix it is one side of the clamp should be on the outside and one side of the clamp should be towards the inside. So I will show it to you clearly. can see that the clamp is aligned, and now I will show you on the other side so that you will get an idea. This side of the clamp is on the inside. Now let's go to the other side. So as you can see on the other side, that is on the left side of the bike, the clamp is facing outwards. So I will fix the bolt here. Make sure the bolt is going in properly and it's aligned properly, otherwise the bolt doesn't go inside easily. Please make sure you're fixing the lengthier bolt on the bottom side. The shorter bolt will fix on the top side, the lengthier bolt will fix on the bottom side. So previously, make sure you align the engine guard, and then you need to fix the bottommost bolt. This is a 15 size bolt, as I mentioned previously. Make sure you don't tighten it fully. Please make sure you adjust the engine guard properly before you tighten it completely, okay? You can follow me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram handle on the top here. If you have anything to say or if you want to message me, you can message me on Instagram. So as I said, I will tell you the price of the crash guard as well as the engine guard. The crash guard costed me about 900 rupees and the engine guard costed me 300 rupees. Both of these items you will get it at the respective showrooms. The showroom people will fix it up for you. I got mine fixed at the showroom, but then someone requested me to make a video over this. So that's for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video up until here. Please give me a like, also share and subscribe to my channel. This is me, Flipside, signing off. Goodbye. Don't forget to wear a mask when you go outside and make sure you get vaccinated.